This is really insane. Today, Shiba Inu is blazing. Analysts are dropping their signals because everyone is so bullish. It seems that you just need 7 million Shiba Inu. This is the recently proven magical number. The weird part comes next. Shiba Inu may soon reach even greater heights, closer than we anticipated. What's going on? And why would a Shiba Inu once again make a difference in people's lives? Let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu is once again demonstrating why it is the dominant meme currency. Shiba Inu's price dropped a bit before bouncing back like a pro, while the remainder of the cryptocurrency market has been stumbling all over the place, and people are becoming aware of it. Right now, there's a lot of excitement in the air. For example, is this only a tease, or are we at the brink of something far more significant? Some have already questioned if a significant breakthrough is imminent, or is this only a prelude to the next move? What if I told you, however, that all it takes to rank in the top 1% of holders is around 7 million Shiba Inu tokens? I know it sounds crazy, but bear with me. Everything will make sense in due time. Let's go back a little and examine what is really occurring on the price chart first. It's sort of startling, to be honest. Just now, one expert made a remark that may alter the outcome of the game. He claims that a sideways breakout setup is developing. Indeed, it is just how it sounds. Lately, Shiba Inu have been traveling in an extremely constrained range. There it's just relaxing, coiling between resistance and support like a spring. Not a hard drop, not pumping frantically, only increasing the pressure. This is when things start to get interesting. And dramatic breakthrough to the upside might occur if the price rises just a little bit higher than where it has been getting stuck recently. In this particular situation, waiting may ultimately pay off. It's been whispering on the chart. Furthermore, this kind of centralization often ends quickly if history repeats itself. What comes next? It may happen quickly. It may be powerful, and we may be in for a tremendous run if it manages to break through the invisible ceiling it has been hitting. The situation becomes much more startling at this point. Today, a significant Shiba Inu trade was just documented. What about the figures? You could be blown away by them. On-chain data from Arkham Intelligence indicates that Bitvavo, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in Europe, just received a massive stack of Shiba Inu tokens, around 12 billion in total. Neither is that a casual move. The move in question is valued at well over 6 figures. The worst part is still to come. It originated from a digital wallet that had about $1 million in cryptocurrency, nearly all of which was Shiba Inu. Now, many people are surprised by this. Was this a normal wallet-to-wallet transaction, or is there a deeper issue at play here? This is the background that adds a little mystery to it all. The same wallet? About a month ago, a Coinbase Prime user sent it an astounding 120 billion Shiba Inu coins. Yes, you heard correctly. 120 billion, and just a little portion of that today, has been sent at approximately the 9th. However, it was transmitted straight to a hot account on an active exchange, rather than to another cold storage wallet where it could just relax offline. What does it imply then? Is this the first indication of a larger sell-off? Like the initial domino that starts a bigger thing? Or is it only a calculated action, a component of a reorganization of assets, preparing for a possible breakthrough? Regardless, it provides us with a crucial piece of information. Shiba Inu are now attracting the attention of major players. They may be putting themselves ahead of something. And whether it's rotation, accumulation, or even getting ready to take a profit, it feeds the rumors that something significant could be approaching. And everyone wants to load up their own Shiba Inu bag when situations like these start to get heated. The main question then arises: how much is truly required to earn money that may change your life? One expert, however, provided an excellent explanation. He said that if Shiba Inu ever reached those insanely high historical levels again, even a little investment, say $100 could grow into $1 million. This isn't wishful thinking, even if it seems crazy. Shiba Inu has already performed a similar action. With modest investments, it turned a few of early investors become millionaires during the 2021 bull run. It's the sort of tale that leaves readers wondering whether it will ever occur again. Here's what's so fascinating about it. $100 would buy more than 7 million Shiba Inu coins at the present pricing. Exactly 7 million. That little sum may grow into $1 million if Shiba Inu eventually soars to the ideal price that some experts have discussed. Yes, it is a return of over 1 million times. I realize that seems crazy, but in theory, it is feasible given the correct circumstances. Catch. A large portion of Shiba Inu's supply would have to be destroyed in order for it to reach that type of price. The overall amount of tokens is enormous at the moment, really enormous. Therefore, it may be difficult to reach that ideal quantity unless the supply is drastically reduced. In the event that there are no significant burns, the price would have to raise Shiba Inu's overall market worth to levels greater than those of Bitcoin or gold. However, reaching that price point becomes much more feasible if the developers and community are able to drastically limit the token supply, say to approximately 10 trillion. The entire value of Shiba Inu would thus be more in line with the current values of the largest corporations worldwide. And particularly in the realm of cryptocurrency, it is not as unrealistic as it may seem. The untamed thing? In fact, some experts think Shiba Inu may someday reach that ideal price. According to a recent estimate, it might increase by more than 800,000% if it replicates its 2021 performance. According to ChatGPT, it may approach that level by the conclusion of this decade. Additionally, according to Telegram, another network, Shiba Inu may achieve that milestone in the 2040s. Yes, it may take some time, but for long-term investors, it's more than just a pipe dream. The possibility is real. And at the moment, owning a little portion of Shiba Inu may subtly place you in the upper 1% of all holders. Before the next huge wave, picture yourself a part of it. The exciting part comes next. You may be holding that pile of 7 million Shiba Inu. It can turn out to be even more valuable than you first believed. An analyst just made an astounding forecast that is receiving a lot of notice. Strong Hedge, a well-known market observer, recently noted that Shiba Inu have been displaying incredible strength. He claims that Shiba Inu have recovered admirably from what he refers to as an accumulation zone. Essentially a location on the chart where wise money accumulates covertly. And you know what? It has been rising ever since. Actually, Shiba Inu saw positive increases for the third consecutive week last week. That's momentum, not simply good fortune. But what's motivating this? Well, the current resurgence of Bitcoin is mostly to blame. Bitcoin has recovered significantly from its initial decline this month. Additionally, the whole cryptocurrency market usually climbs in tandem with Bitcoin's ascent. Shiba Inu are among them. The value of Shiba Inu has actually increased by more than a third from that low level earlier this month. People notice that type of move. This is where the situation becomes even more intriguing. According to Strong Hedge, this rise is just beginning. He anticipates a significant price increase, maybe doubling from its current level. He identified a few crucial resistance levels that Shiba Inu would have to overcome. However, if that occurs, prices that haven't been seen since the conclusion of last year may be revisited. It's not just him, either. Cryptolytes, another expert, is predicting a possible 16-time surge. With price targets far higher than anything we've seen recently, a classic graph pattern is beginning to take shape that might result in a breakthrough. More optimistic still. Additionally, one expert believes Shiba Inu is on the verge of going into overdrive, maybe reenacting a move that sent it soaring during the last cycle. He is also advocating for a massive surge. Like the others, he believes that Shiba Inu are a good investment at the moment. What does all of this mean? Shiba Inu are becoming more and more popular once again, so they're no longer just that meme coin that people make fun of. The analysts' forecasted price movement and its relationship to the Bitcoin rise, everything points to a significant development, And if these optimistic forecasts prove correct, your modest 7 million Shiba Inu coin holdings may not even put you in the top 1%. It could give you a significant advantage. However, what do you think of this? Leave a comment below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.